I made more than $9,000 in 30 days with this faceless channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly the process and how you can literally copy me. All right, here, as you can see, with 1,600,000 views, I made more than $9,000. Here you can see what I'm generating right now per day. I'm doing about $500. I also have $880 days. Here I made $746, and right now I'm at an average of $300 to $500 a day. Because this channel I wasn't taking very seriously, I was only making $150 a day, $180 a day. But now I started taking it more seriously, and I started applying some strategies, and I managed to scale it to more than $500 a day. This is just one channel. I have many more channels like the ones you're seeing right now. And well, here this channel already has more than 18,000 subscribers. And well, basically that. All right, here you have another channel that's basically doing exactly the same thing as me. In fact, I drew inspiration from this channel, obviously, and I copied the format more or less. Here, as you can see, he has really popular videos with more than 400,000 views, more than 360,000 views. He also does live streams where basically what he does is take three of his videos, and he puts them on loop. He makes a loop, and basically the same three videos repeat for 7 hours, and he makes a live stream. Here, as you can see, this live stream has 1,700,000 views. That could be generating him about $10,000 per live stream. This channel is making more than $1,000 a day. That, as you can see, already has 20 million views, which is almost $200,000 in just 6 months. This channel has made more than $200,000 doing exactly what I'm going to show you in this video, because they're really easy videos to make. And it's going to be really easy for you to be able to replicate it. Here is another channel that's doing exactly the same thing. As you can see, he also has really high views, 789,000 views on this video. Another video with 730,000. In this case, this channel doesn't do live streams, but he already has 10 million views, which is almost $100,000 just with this channel in 6 months. And well, basically I saw that this niche was really trending. I replicated it, and here you can see my results, that in the last 30 days I've made more than $9,000, and I'm still going to make a lot more because, as you can see, the channel is growing a lot. Probably this month more than $15,000 or $20,000. The first thing you're gonna have to do is go to the description of this video, and in the description of this video, you're gonna have a folder with all the resources you're gonna need to be able to start in this niche. The first thing you're gonna have to do is go to Claude, and when you're here in Claude, the only thing you do is upload this folder. You're going to upload this folder to Claude and basically tell it to create a script and a title. And another thing you can also do is upload screenshots of the reference channels so that Claude has a visual style, so that Claude knows what the channels look like visually. So you can also upload these screenshots so that Claude has inspiration and basically can analyze both the folder, which is a really detailed prompt, and we're also going to upload these 3 screenshots so it has a visual reference. And basically you send the prompt. Although in this case, I forgot to tell it one thing. I forgot to tell it. You have to tell it to analyze the military conflicts of the last week, which I forgot to say. I forgot to put it in the prompt. And basically by telling it this, what it's going to do is activate Claude's search function, and it's going to be searching the internet for all the military conflicts of the last week. So basically you send this prompt to it, you send this prompt yes. It's a really complete prompt where Claude already has all the references. Here, as you can see, it's already searching for the military conflicts of the last week. Basically, it's doing the whole analysis, doing the whole detailed analysis, just like we specified in the folder. And here, as you can see, it's already creating the title and the script. You here can already start copying the title if you want. In my case, I'm going to start copying the title to be able to move on to the next step, which is the thumbnail. For that, you're going to have to go to the folder again, and here you're going to drag this compressed folder to Gemini. And here you're going to put title, and you put the title of your video. And here you can already start generating the thumbnail. If you want to generate more thumbnails, you can go to Flow. You go to a new project on Flow. Here you select Nano Banana 2. You select that 4 images get generated per prompt. And then here you can extract the folder. You extract the folder to have basically everything. Then you upload the images. For that, you go to the folder, you upload these 3 images, and then you're going to copy this prompt. You copy the prompt that's in that text file, you copy it, and you paste it here. Then here where it says video title, you're going to go to Claude, and here you're going to be able to copy the title of the video. Then you go to Flow, you paste it here in the title of the video, and you can already generate more thumbnails, because sometimes Gemini gives an error. So I recommend more that you generate the thumbnail in Flow. Just like I just explained to you, as you can see, Claude has already given us the title and the script. If it doesn't let you copy this, if you want to copy it directly and it doesn't let you, you can tell it to send it through the chat, basically, to send the script and the title through the chat. And that way you're going to be able to copy it more easily without having to download the document or anything. As you can see on Flow, the thumbnails are already being generated. If you want more to be generated, you can do the same thing, the same process, paste the prompt, upload the images, and that's it. And you generate more thumbnails again if you want. So with this, you already have the thumbnail, and you also have the optimized script and title here. So now the next thing you're going to have to do is go to a website. To go to the website, you just have to search on Google CapCut China, and you go to the website, and here basically you're going to be able to download the Chinese version of CapCut. Since the normal version doesn't work for this, since they just removed the option to export clips on CapCut. So you're going to have to use the Chinese version, which is where this option is still available. So you're going to go to CapCut China, you download CapCut China, and you run it. And to download the clips, well, you're going to go to a reference channel, you copy the link, then you're going to go to a website that you have here in the folder you run the program. In my case, I already have it installed, so I open it. Well, you copy the link of this video, for example, and basically, well, you paste the link here and the clips download, then you're going to go to CapCut China, you're going to create a new project. If you have Premiere, you can do this from Premiere, but I know a lot of people don't have Premiere, so you can do it this way, all right? And here in CapCut China, the only thing you do is upload the video. You upload the video, you drag it to the project, and you remove the sound. Then here you right click, and you're going to click here on this option, on the first option. And this option, what it's going to do is separate the scenes. I mean, it's going to separate all the clips in the video. All right, here as you can see, all the clips in the video have already been separated. Each fragment is a clip. So here you right click and you click here, all right, on this option here, right on this option, you're going to click the one that's above this one. You're going to click here, which basically is to export the clips. All right, here as you can see, 214 clips are going to be exported. Here in FPS, you put 60 FPS and you can already download the clips. All right, you click this button here, and the clips are going to start being exported. Now I recommend that you do the same process for 3 videos, all right, to have a lot of clips for your video. So you do the same thing, you literally do the same process with each video, and that's it. You're already going to have all the clips, and you're going to be able to export the clips. I recommend that you export 20 or 30 minutes of clips and then reuse them for each video, and that's it. All right, so the next thing would be really easy. The next thing would be to edit the video. Basically, you upload your audio, you add some animation, you add subtitles, you put your logo, and that's it basically. I mean, if you pay attention, these videos aren't edited that much either. It's an audio and a lot of clips. Don't worry. I mean, don't overthink it when putting the clips. You just put clips and that's it. And add some text animation, especially when hours are mentioned in the script. When hours are mentioned in the script, that's when you add these text animations, and that's it, nothing else. Then you put the audio on top, some epic music, and done, you can already export the video. So that would be it. I mean, you can edit it in 10 minutes. Don't over edit the video, edit it fast, do it fast. That's what's important. And here, as you can see, all the thumbnails have already been generated. So we already have all the thumbnails. Then we also have the script, the audio, and the title. So you make the video fast and you can already upload it basically.